Good morning, my dear children. So, today is 12th July and I'm here to teach you English. Now, first of all, tell me how many of you have so much faith in God and so much people are religious type, sermon type, so much piece of gold, like heart is like a gold. कितने लोग ऐसे हैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा धर्म और आस्था में विश्वास करते हैं, लाइक रिलीजन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट रिलीजन, धर्म की बातें और सारी बातें। कैसे इतने लोग हैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा रिलीजियस हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा पीस ऑफ गॉड में बिलीव करते हैं कि जैसे existence of God. I'm also, you also. So this topic is related to a person who is very religious, who is very, you can say also that his heart is pure of gold, like that. His heart is as pure as gold. And he was a man who was believing in God all the times, who was faithing in God all the times, and all he's doing, he is going to do relate to the God. So one morning what happened, actually one night what happened, James Henry Leigh Hunt has narrated this poem. So first of all, at this poem, what is this? Section C. Okay, and the poem is about Ben Adham, narrated by James Henry Leigh Hunt. Okay, so James Henry Leigh Hunt was the narrator of this poem, and this is written about Ben Adam. Actually, this was about a tribe, एक प्रजात की बात, एक जात के बारे में विशेष बात है. Tribe, you can say also a large family. About Ben Adam, एक person के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं. So this is not about Ben Adam is a proper name, capital letter I have written. So that's why the reason it's a name, specific name somebody's. And he was the narrator. He has written so much poem and so much lyrical form in his age, and even then he was ill and physically not fit. After that he was working for a long time. He has done so much things in literature. Okay, now what happened one night, an angel writing in a book of gold, exceeding peace. One night what he seen, कि एक रात देखता है कि उसके पैरों के पास एक एंजल, एक परी है जो आई है और कुछ लिख रही है, अपने कुछ राइटिंग कर रही है. तो वो पूछता है उससे कि व्हाट यू आर राइटिंग अबाउट. तो वो उसको आंसर करेगी कि आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग अबाउट द पीपल अबाउट हु आर believing in God, who are so much faith in God, and who they are doing their work according to the God's will. तो कहता है तो मेरा नाम भी होना चाहिए. तो कहती है नो, नॉट एट ऑल. तो इस वजह को लेके पूरी पोएम है. And after that we will solve the exercise, we will see all things. And one more thing, today I'll post the last previous chapter, the Starry Stars, the solution PDF in your group, in your batch, and this poem solution also in your batch. So go through that, guys, and maintain your notes. Section B and section C, do that also. Okay, so let's start with the poem. Now open page number 66. Some words meaning are also here. I'll also explain that. Okay, just listen it quietly. Now, James Henry Hunt was born on October 19, 1784 in Sogate, England. England में इनका जन्म हुआ था 19 October 1784 में. Okay. Although he was suffering from acute poverty and physical illness, acute poverty मतलब दास्ता, गरीबी बहुत ज़्यादा, और physical illness से थे जैसा मैंने आपको बताया, but फिर भी उन्होंने बहुत सारे वर्क किए. Now rhythmic corner we will start, and here just you can see a man was sleeping at his bed, and here is an angel introduced. So this picture is going to show everything. यहाँ पे एक स्वप्न आया हुआ, एक सपना सा आया हुआ, एक ड्रीम था जिसके बारे में इन्होंने डिस्कस किया है. ठीक है. So above Ben Adam, may his tribe in cease. May his tribe means होता है a large family, एक बड़े से परिवार. Ben above Ben Adam, may his tribe increase. उसकी जो ट्राइब में होता है, उसकी जो बड़ी सी फैमिली शायद उसके बारे में। अवोक वन नाइट फ्रॉम अ ड्रीम ऑफ पीस, एक रात, अवोक मींस उठना, जस्ट वन सेकंड, ओके, अवोक मींस उठ जाना, अचानक से उठ जाना, वन नाइट एक रात, फ्रॉम अ डीप ड्रीम ऑफ पीस, फ्रॉम अ डीप ड्रीम एक गहरे स्वप्न से, शांति भरे स्वप्न से जो देख रहा था, एक्चुअली ही वाज सडनली woke up from a dream and saw, और देखता क्या है, within the moonlight in his room, अपने कमरे में पूरी तरफ चांद की रोशनी, moonlight is there in his room and making it rich, उसको और बढ़ा रही है, and like a lily in bloom, like a lily in bloom, bloom means होता है the flower is going to be buds, जब फूल खिलते हैं ना तो that is also known as blooms, तो कह रहा है चमकते हुए, जैसे लिली का फूल होता है बस खिलने ही वाला रहता है, उस तरीके से मेरा पूरा कमरा शानदार तरीके से चमक रहा था। An angel writing in a book of gold, और एक एंजल एक जो परी थी जो आई थी, writing in a book एक किताब में कुछ लिख रही थी, of gold as a book symbol is there, maybe some religious book is there, exceeding peace, extraordinary, exceeding means होता है extraordinary या exceptional means क्या होता है, जिसको हम बोलते हैं ना कि ये exceptional अपवाद है, या extraordinary असामान्य, असाधारण सी शांति थी। peace मतलब होता है state, calmness and serenity, एक जो mind था, mind was so much in peaceful state and there were so much peace all over, एक सन्नाटा सा था। And to the presence in the room he said, what writest thou? And to the presence in the room, and to the presence means those who were appeared there, those who were already there, that means angel पूछता है what writest thou? Thou is a ancient means, this means you, thou, I'll tell you this, you see here THOU, तो इसका मतलब होता है, इसका मीन्स होता है you, ठीक है। तो he is asking that what writest you, क्या लिखा आपने, and he just the vision raised it, the vision means here a supernatural being of extraordinary beauty, vision जो वहाँ पे दृश्य था, जो एक supernatural सा power था, raised its head, अपने सर को उठाते हुए, it means that angel about we are talking about, and with a look made of all sweet accord, और अपने एक लुक के थ्रू, एक देखने के तरीके से, made of all sweet accord, accord means to be in agreement or harmony, to be agreement समझौते की दृष्टि से देखना या उसको समझाते हुए देखना। Answered, the names of those who love the Lord, what I told in the beginning, she is writing about those persons, those who are so much loving in the God, those who are so much faith in the God, so she is telling that I'm just writing about those who have so much faith, who love the Lord, जिनको who love the Lord, जो ईश्वर को प्यार करते हैं। And his mind one said above is asking, and what is about mine, मेरे बारे में क्या, मैं भी तो करता हूँ, मुझे क्या लिखा, मेरे बारे में क्या लिखा। Say nay not so, nay is a ancient mean again, nay no not so, ऐसा नहीं है। Replied the angel, उसने angel ने reply किया। Above spoke more low, and now when you get some answer not in your regards, then your voice is getting low. Same things happen to the above, his voice is getting low, and after that he is realizing again saying, but surely still, लेकिन अभी भी मुस्कुराता हुआ, and said, और कहा, I pray thee, मैं उनकी प्रार्थना करता हूँ, then तब write me as one that loves his fellow man, करूँगा तब मेरा नाम जरूर लिखना as a fellow man means होता है जो उनको फॉलो करता हो, other members of human race, अदर मेंबर ऑफ ह्यूमन रेस मतलब और भी प्रजातियां, और भी ह्यूमन रेस, जैसे तुमने लिखा है ना, और भी ट्राइब्स को मेंशन किया ना, मेरे बारे में भी लिखना। द एंजल रोड एंड वैनिश्ड, एंजल जो होती है वो लिखती है, एंड वैनिश्ड मींस होता है टोटली रूंड अप, हटा देना, मिटा देना उसको, डिसअपीयर्ड यानी वहां से लिख के गायब हो जाती है। द नेक्स्ट नाइट इट केम अगेन विद अ ग्रेट वेकनिंग लाइट, एंड और फिर अगली रात इट केम अगेन, ये आई with a great beckoning light, beckoning means होता है very bright, actually again next night she again came with a brightened beckoning light, ठंडक के साथ आती है, and showed the names, and उसको दिखाती है वो नाम, whom love of God had blessed, जो भगवान को whom love of God, जो ईश्वर में प्रेम करते हैं ईश्वर से, and blessed और protected and guarded from evil, और जो बचाए जाते हैं बुराइयों से और गलत चीज़ों से. It means she was just there to show about the people's name who was going to love to the God, Lord, and who was blessed with the God. It means who are protected or guarded by the God's view. And go, और ये तुम Ben Adams name, let all the rest. Let all the rest, Ben Adams का जो नाम था, let all the rest यानी उन सब में भी था. वो दिखाती है कि आप भी इसमें शामिल है. Okay, so here's some meanings has come also. I'll discuss to you. First meaning is tribe. Okay, so tribe, listen very carefully. T-R-I-B-E, tribe means a large family. Bloom, B-L-O-O-M, a state of having or buds open. Exceeding means आपको बताया extraordinary. Peace, a state calmness and serenity. Vision, a supernatural being of extraordinary beauty. Occurred, to be in agreement and harmony. Beckoning, very bright, blessed, protected or guarded from evil. So some question I would like to discuss with you from the basis of this understanding poem. So are you ready for that? Okay, let's start discussion with me. First question, what kind of a person was about Ben Adam? कैसा पर्सन आपको लग रहा था कि कैसे थे वो? मैं ऑप्शन देता हूँ. Selfish, cowardly, religious. So guys, tell me the correct answer fast. Okay, actually the correct answer is religious, because this topic is relate from the religion, relate from the Lord, God, love and faith. So there is no cowardly, he was not. Actually he was not cowardly. There is nothing this word, there never this word is used. And selfish he was not. Selfish तो था ही नहीं. जो बेसिस पे हमने पढ़ा उसमें वही था. Pure of gold he was, kind-hearted man he was, and totally he was a religious person. Second question, the presence of the angel was कैसा था? Frightened, peaceful या funny? First option is correct, but in the second time when she will come, this option is going to be correct. Now the second option, peaceful, is the correct answer, because when she appeared from on the first night, the atmosphere is so much peaceful. See, whose names were written in the book of gold? People who were good, kind and loving, one who were bold and courageous, या people the angel paid a visit to. Option is people who were good, kind and loving, because she just has shown to the about Ben Adam that this book I'm writing about what? The people who was so much loving to the Lord. So I hope so you have understood the concept of this poem, guys. Now again I am making you remembering this poem and the previous chapter, the Starry Star. About that what we had studied about सुनीता विलियम लेंस के बारे में जो हम पढ़ रहे थे. तो इन दोनों के solution PDF I'll post today after class in your batch in study material section. In my folder is there English, my English folder is there, Mr. Vaibhav के नाम से. Go through in that folder and you will get the previous chapter and this chapter PDF that side. Okay, so do that what? Complete the notes, maintain the notes, but before that first of all write the word meaning systematically and then write the question answer. Exercise you can take in the book also, guys, and grammar exercise also. All exercise what we have finished, solution of that I had posted yesterday at the evening time in your this study material section. So go through that also and fill all your exercise of grammar. Thank you. Have a nice day.